This man stuck the rat skin on his face and then injected himself with a mysterious virus. Amazingly, the scars began to heal, but before he can celebrate, his skin strangely continued to grow and soon sealed his mouth and nose. To prevent suffocation, he took a scalpel and cut open his own face, but the next second, the wound healed. Soon, the man was enveloped by the mutated skin and died. Lisa, who witnessed her father's tragic death, was heartbroken. She vowed to fulfill her father's dying wish. After 10 years of hard study, she successfully enrolled in the local medical university, gained the recognition of her professors, and soon entered the laboratory. She took out her father's notebook left behind before his death, and wanted to continue researching the gene molecular technology for skin repair. However, despite her relentless research day and night, the experiment remained unsuccessful. Just as the experiment hit a dead end, one day, a leaflet about plants on the ground gave her an idea. Compared to animal cells, plant cells have much stronger self-healing abilities. Perhaps their DNA could break through the bottleneck of the experiment. That night, Lisa sneaked into the botanical garden under cover of darkness and stole a blooming corpse flower. It was said that the cells of this plant had extremely strong healing abilities. Soon, she ground the flower stem and mixed it with the medicine and created a bottle of medication. She eagerly cut a piece of skin from her thigh and then applied the mouse's skin to the wound. As the pink poison was injected, the skin of the two different species began to fuse rapidly. This thrilled Lisa, but as soon as she returned to her aunt's house where she was staying, she finds her father's memorial shrine destroyed. Her cousin Angela found it unlucky and mocked Lisa, saying she should take these things back to China. Seeing her father's spirit tablet being knocked over, Lisa could no longer tolerate it and immediately got into a fight with her cousin Angela. But in the heat of the moment, Lisa accidentally killed her cousin. Thinking her aunt was about to return, she immediately dragged the body into the bathroom. To avoid being discovered, Lisa began using surgery to transplant the face. She first used a scalpel to remove her own facial skin, then removed Angela's facial skin, injected a fusion agent into it, and finally attached that piece of skin to her own face. After a series of convulsions, she had truly transformed into Angela. Soon, her aunt returned home and did not notice anything unusual about Angela's height today, that her real daughter was lying cold under the bed. To avoid being exposed, Lisa opened Angela's mobile phone video, carefully imitating and studying her every expression. The next day, she went to school under Angela's identity, but she didn't expect Angela to have a secret boyfriend. Lisa, who had never experienced love, felt that all of this was due to her new appearance. In the afternoon, the two went on a date to the top of the mountain, but just as their feelings were growing deeper, the boyfriend suddenly noticed a scar splitting open on her forehead. The next moment, her entire face fell off, and this tense and thrilling horror film is called Grafted, 2024.